Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In conventional machining process, since the process is conducted manually by a skilled and experienced operator, the result of the machining process is sometimes unpredictable. The product quality of the machining process is highly dependent on the skill of the operator. This manual operation certainly has many shortcomings. To overcome the problems, people nowadays convert the use of conventional machine into a computerized numerical control machine as known as CNC machine. In CNC machining, the movement of the machine is controlled by computer which sends signal to the motor so the machine will run automatically. But the motor has limitation. For a certain condition, can you imagine? What happens to the machine if the cutting force during machining time is higher than the power of the motor? Of course, the motor will be damaged and it may burn out and the machine will fail to work. In my final project, I'm trying to control the cutting force during machining time by using an artificial intelligence technique. My final project focuses on the detection and controlling cutting force in lathe machine by using a fuzzy logic controller. What is fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is a mathematical approach that can control and solve many engineering problems. Instead of crisp logic, which only know 1 and 0, false and true, but in fuzzy logic, we can have value between 1 and 0. So the output of the systems will be more smooth, and we can get more accurate data. My constraint is the feed rate, because if we want to control the cutting force, we have to adjust the feed rate. And this is where my final project comes in handy. When the cutting force is high, the feed rate will be lower, so the cutting force will be maintained in an allowable feed rate. But on the other hand, when the cutting force is safe, so the feed rate will be set to be optimum. So we can increase the machining process and get efficient machining process. The development of the fuzzy logic controller in my final project has effectively controlling the cutting force during machining time in a lathe machine. And the development has improved the product quality and also shortening machining times. And further application of this controller can also be used in other machining process such as milling and drilling and other machining process, not only in turning process. So hope this small research can have big impact in manufacturing. Thank you.